Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about TikTok application, and I will let to show you the way how you can add your own audio into your TikTok. So you just need to open your TikTok application and wait until the application is perfectly open, and then you just need to log in with your account. And now let's just access it right away into the content create section. You just need to go with this plus button in the middle, and you will have an access into the TikTok camera. So if you already have the audio, the video, you just need to add this by go click upload. But then if you want to record it lifetime, you just need to choose either you want to do the photo or the video with this duration option. And here, if you want to add your own audio, you just need to click add sound, and then right away click this button, and then will give you into this tab of option. Go click this discover more sound, and that will be bring you into the sound section, and there will be a lot of section that you can pick for your content. And if you want to add your own audio, you just need to take a look on this line. There will be your sound here. Just go click your sound, and there will be also two options that you can pick. So the first one is the import sound from video, and the second one is import local sound. So here I want to do with the video, so you just have to go click it and just pick the audio or the video that you want to extract the audio for your content. I'll let you pick this, then go import sound from video, and you just need to wait until the process is finished and the audio is already added here. And you just need to go click it and click checklist button, and you got this. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.